So this fella, I want the incident response team that was over here on the Hardy toll road is not here. Here we go. We have a boat coming. Hold on just a second. Are you guys headed down to the truck right here? No. There's a truck driver stuck here in about 10 feet of water. I'm going to try to get his attention. There is now water filling his cab. Here they come. I am terrified for him, so I can't imagine. And here he comes. I feel like I can finally breathe. Sir, thank God you're okay. How does it feel to be on land?
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah.
What went through your mind when you saw that water?
Lord help me. And I just thank God that you guys was right here to get me, put me back on land safe. I just appreciate you.
This is gonna sound weird, but can I hug you? I'm so happy you're okay. Thank you so
Smoke it out,
Yeah.
420. Smoke it out, 420.
Yeah, you guys know what the fuck this is.
Smoke it out,
Another one by yours truly.
420.
Yeah,
Smoke it out, 420.
yeah.